The weapon used to vaporize the Cragmites was a hat. Oh, come on. There's no way a Lombax would invent something that ridiculous.
Oh, really? What about your nuclear-powered rocket sled? Your antimatter bathroom buddy? And let us not forget about the electroshock undergarments you invented last fall.
Ratchet, Clank, where have you two been? I need you at the arena, chop chop! I think I may have found another CLEUW4?
You can't kill me, Lombax. Only I know your true purpose in this galaxy. Only I know your true name. The Cragmite return is inevitable. Your kind will never be safe. Do you hear me? Never!
Apologies, my friend. Tell you what, allow us to make it up to you. Some space pirates from Arnolis have offered us bolts for Leviathan souls. Why, if you were to go and fetch some for us, we would happily give you the launch code.
Marc! Lombax has a death wish! No!
Oh, it's you two! Almost didn't recognize you in high def. Oh, you're just in time. I'm about to try out my revolutionary high-speed intraplanetary transportation gizmo. Oh, I take it you was expecting something else. Something capable of vaporizing an entire planet of whatchamacallit?
Miserable little Drophyds. I can't believe that you stick around them. What a bunch of cheese. Oh, a Lombax. I thought I'd never see one again. Thanks for repairing me.
Existence is divided into infinite dimensions. The Dimensionator opens a portal to these worlds. The Lombaxes constructed the device in order to exile the Cragmites.
Will you hold still? I'm trying to reattach your darn head.
Yeah, well, it got blown off protecting your rusty bolts from that Cragmite slayer.
My bolts aren't rusty. They just haven't been used in a while.
He picked the wrong spot for a fight, me boy. Perhaps a flogging will teach you to meddle in the affairs of Corsairs.
That's a good one, Captain. You made a rhyme.
Shut up, Pete.
Aye, Captain, shutting up.
In this chapter, we will explore the galactic awesomeness that is Iris. The largest supercomputer in Polaris history, this mysterious behemoth is said to have an IQ of 3 billion.
To your left, to the sky. To your left, to the sky. To your right.
Nanotech acquired. The more nanotech you have, the more damage you can take.
Do not be afraid. We are here to help you destroy it.
Destroy what?
We have a lot to show you.
Why you hide, stupid idiots? Mr. Zircon only cares for to kill you.
What do you do? What do you say? What's the haps there, Slick? Devices are special combat items, very handy in a pinch. Come on, step into our office and take a look-see.
So you're a Lombax who's never seen another Lombax, doesn't know where they are or what their secret is. That's so...
Ironic?
I take it he's the smart one.
Welcome to Grummelnet's weapon shop. Here you can buy ammo, upgrade your weapon, or purchase new tools of destruction. Go ahead. Name your poison.
If you plan on fighting in the arena, might we suggest sprucing up our attire?